how to edit a website using Elementor. And today I want to just give them an update on Elementor's new features. So this is the new interface for Elementor. It's different from the old one where it used to be like this. So I'm going to walk you through things bit by bit and where to find some of the stuff. So here, if you see previously the preview button, where the device preview button, it used to be here. You toggle this and it came on top, just like this. So that's where you would see your desktop, your tablet mode, then your mobile mode. But now it's no longer the case. The desktop mode is here, the tablet mode is here, and the mobile is here. So the other thing, let's just walk through the toolbar. They have included one thing interesting here, which is the search feature, which was previously here. You can now search here all elements which you want. Then obviously the help part, which was previously I think it might be a new feature. Then what's new with Elementor? It was hidden here. What's new with Elementor? You can see it was hidden on the global settings. Then the publish button. Previously, it used to be update here. Now it's based on the top corner. So this all happens if you upgrade to the newest version of Elementor. More so if you do like me, if you have Elementor Pro, if you are using Elementor Pro. Let me just show you, if you don't have Elementor Pro, how to get Elementor Pro. It will help you to crazy clicks. I will put link in the description /Elementor. The Elementor I use, obviously, as a web development agency, is slightly a bigger plan. I use this one. So Elementor has been very good to me. I've used Elementor for more than 7 years now. It's a very good website page builder. I use the second plan, obviously, as a person who builds so much sites. I use an agency plan, a bigger plan. But I recommend my clients to use this one for only $4.92 per month, but build per month, which is $59. So with this plan, you get one site to edit. One site, 24/7 support, 56 pro widgets, which are not on the free version. Then builder, motion effects, template library, where you can get pre-built websites, custom fonts, forms, widget, floating buttons, link in the bio, and dynamic WordPress fields and dynamic tags. This one, which is $8.25, you get it at $99. You can edit up to 3 sites and a lot of other things. So I mostly use this one, the agency one, for $399 built annually. So because we edit so many websites, so it is a total of 91 widgets: theme builder, template library, custom fonts, custom CSS, global widgets, forms, WooCommerce builder, pop-up marketing integration, floating buttons, and a lot more other features. So if you need Elementor, you can get a very favorable discount if you use the link in the description. So let's continue with our tutorial. So we were on the publish, which was used now update here. Now you publish here. The preview button is also changed from this position to the upper position, where you can preview your work. We are done with the top. So usually, the most useful part to save as a template or to view to preview again. Usually the most useful part which we used is this one. So if you check, if you're editing your site, it might be okay that you can't see these elements by some, let's say I was editing this. To get my elements back, usually I usually click these dots, then I get my elements back just like this. If I click this, I get my elements back. But here now, to get your elements back, you have to click this plus icon, then you get your elements. These settings are the ones which you got. If you click the upper part, that's where you got the user preferences. Now they've made most of the stuff to be closer. This is the menu which indicates which which part are you at a point in time. At this, on this part, it was found here. Now it's just easier to find that. Now it's just easier. So I hope I covered all the widgets and everything. If I left something, please don't hesitate to point it out in the comment section below so that I can do a more in-depth tutorial about the new features. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.